into the month of May. Really excited to share with you a second box for this month. Why? Because this month is Africa Day. It was all about African Freedom Day, it's all about African Liberation Day. So why not give you a special Africa Day box? Okay, so let's do this. What's going to be inside this box? You'll be getting a head wrap made in Nigeria in one of the famous Birds of Paradise prints. I mean, how gorgeous is that? So you're going to get a woven cotton made in Nigeria head wrap. Next, you're going to be getting, this is the piece de resistance, or the bit that I'm really excited about, is this amazing book by one of Ghana's previous presidents, Kwame Nkrumah. It's a book actually about the work that he did in Ghana and how his kind of ideologies around Africa and African people. This is a great book that will give you some insights into African history, and the work that he did and why he's such an important figure for African history. So you'll be getting that book. That will be awesome. The next item you'll be getting is this. This is a Khanga, all the way from Kenya. Now Khanga is like a traditional print. This has been sourced from our suppliers in Kenya, and you will be getting 2 pieces of this, and these are huge, absolutely huge. So you'll be getting that, and you'll be able to make a jacket, a dress, a coat, anything that you can think of with that. And to help you along with that thinking, we'll be supplying you with not just one, but 2 patterns. Inside this little pack, you're going to find a pattern in there. You're going to find a wax print pencil by Wax and Wrap. You're going to be finding the thread for your sewing, and there's going to be a little bit of a gift in there for you as well. So that's going to be going inside the box too. And we haven't finished yet. What else are we having inside the box? Okay, you will also be getting some extra fabric, and this one is a nice simple piece in beautiful colors coming all the way from Ghana. So this one is your typical Ankara wax print fabric that has been sourced from factories in Ghana. So that's something that you're going to be getting. So a little piece of Ghana to go with your Nkrumah book. I think that's going to be a great piece. Coming in from Senegal now is a jewellery set. So this one is a necklace, bangles and earrings. This one now is all made from wax print Ankara. So this is going to be a really exciting piece. It's going to brighten up any wardrobe. So let's add that piece in there. Still got more to go. Next piece we're having is a lovely made in Ghana mask. So this nice face mask is made from a typical macaroni print that you'll be probably quite familiar with. So you're going to have that as well in your box. Let's drop him in there. Because I love you all, I'm adding this. Look at that. I'm in the African Print Sewing Club. Great badge there, so you people will know that you're part of the Wax and Wraps African Print Sewing Club. So do show that off so that people know that you're in the club, and come and join the club on Facebook as well. So that bit will go in there. And the last piece is this book. Now this one is by a classic African writer, Chinua Achebe. This is like a piece of writing about what he titled Africa's Tarnished Name. And it's just an amazing little book of essays that he has written. You know, you're going to love this. You're really going to love this book. So I've added this one in. So as we focus on Africa Day this month, and you're thinking about the liberation of African countries, think about the history of Africa, this book is going to add to your knowledge, and you'll be able to build and grow with this. So this whole box together, look at this. You've got jewellery, you've got fabrics, you've got books, you've got head wraps, you've got a badge, you've got so much in there, sewing patterns, African wax print pencils, and there's an extra special gift that I haven't even showed you yet. So jump on board, grab your box and grab your Africa box, gift it to a friend, or keep it for yourself. But make sure you get this box this month, this Africa month. Now have fun with prints.